The Honeywell liquid-cooled 60 kilowatt home standby generator reinforces your home with the ultimate in reassurance. Running on your home's existing natural gas or LP fuel supply, this allows for 24/7 backup and continuous running until power is restored. It comes with a 2-line LCD trilingual digital sync controller, closed coolant recovery system, wireless remote monitor, sound attenuated aluminum enclosure, electronic governor, and flexible fuel line connector. It also has a state-of-the-art power maximizing regulation system that is standard on all Honeywell models for fast response to changing load conditions and maximum motor starting capability, a low-speed automotive-style engine that runs at only 1800 RPM during a power outage, creating an incredibly quiet and extremely fuel-efficient generator, and its exterior can withstand the elements with the premium aluminum enclosure and rhino coat finish. The Honeywell liquid-cooled 60 kilowatt home standby generator is UL 2200 listed and comes with a 5-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.